really great. They even dance to communicate. Worker bees get really mean if you mess with the queen. The queen is the worker bee's mother. They work like a team to protect each other. Even though all bees have wings, only the female honeybee stings. If they use their stinger, they will die. They lose their blood is the reason why. Baby bees are larvae. They live in hives. They eat pollen from flowers to stay alive. Honeybee stings hurt for sure. That's why bears have thick fur. Just like people want lots of money, bears like to get the bees' honey. Honeybees are neat freaks. They keep their hive clean. So the smell of the hive so the hive doesn't hurt your spleen.